everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Maria, and today we are trying Weight Watchers snacks from the Weight Watcher website. This is my husband Damien, and this is my soon-to-be brother-in-law Jesse, and they are going to be trying Weight Watchers snacks too. They are not on Weight Watchers, just my sister and I am. She didn't want to be in the video because of her profession and everything, but she does do Weight Watchers, and she also has an Instagram account. It's called mindful.mindy. So go follow that, and she's gonna just throw in our snacks. Okay, so first we're trying Weight Watchers Maple Crunch Protein Cereal with 12 grams of protein. Do you want milk with it?
Great.
12 and then
grams.
No, we'll just try it dry. So 100 calories, and then on the back it tells you what each start point is for each plan. So I'm on the blue plan. And for each plan, this is actually only 2 points. So, for the whole thing. So we're going to try this. And I guess normally you would try this with milk or something, but I don't think she has any sugar-free almond milk, so.
I'll drink regular milk.
So here's.
That's it.
There's inside of the bag. And then this is what we're going to try.
Can that water fall in?
No, honey. Oh! That's good. I like that. Oh, wow.
I can taste all 12 grams of protein.
No, for real. Okay, so we'll rate them on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 being yuck, and 10 being the best. What would you rate them?
Definitely an 8, especially if I have milk.
Yeah. Jesse?
Say a 7.
7? Why? Just not your kind of flavor?
Not bad.
Okay, I would give these actually a 9 because it's hard to find cereal that you can eat. So, definitely a 9. Now we're going to try the next one. Alright, next thing we're trying is Weight Watchers Crunchy Snack Nacho Tortilla Chips. 80 calories per pouch, and these are also gluten-free. I think these all are gluten-free. Oh, cool. So yeah, so my sister has a gluten allergy, so these will all be gluten-free. Again, same thing. Tells you on the back how many points per each smart point. Charlie is growling because he has a toy right now. That's my sister's dog. Okay, so 80 calories per the pouch and 2 smart points. Not bad.
You follow
I'll have some more. They're pretty good. I would give these like I'd probably give these like a 7 or 7.5. Just because like you can still taste like the I don't know, like you know whenever you have like those little pop the pop chip, but they usually taste like a little bit like a corn flavor. That's what I'm getting. A hint of corn. What would you rate them?
Probably a 9. I actually really like these.
Wow, Jesse?
Say 7 again.
Okay, any commentary?
Nope.
Alright, next thing we're trying. Weight Watchers Sizzlin Sriracha Protein Puffs. 11 grams of protein. These are also gluten-free. And one smart point on each plan. These are 70 calories per pouch. Fabulous. Oh my god. He's still eating the cereal. Okay. Oh, you can smell them. Okay. Mmm. I like these.
I think I'll pass.
No, you have to try it.
Okay, give me.
Definitely need a drink. You shoot it that quick. So, if you need, I need a drink.
A puff rolled in A1 and wing dust.
So if you really like spicy things, I think this is for you. I like spicy things, but I would still only rate these like probably like a 6.5 or 7 because you just get like a seasoning the first thing, like it like hits the back of your throat. So
it's like doing the cinnamon challenge.
a 2.
It's like doing the cinnamon challenge with wing dust.
Okay. Well, I think it's pretty good.
Okay, next one.
All right.
Where are all these great snacks coming from?
Next we're eating Weight Watchers sea salt tortilla chips. So I think this is just like their dupe on a regular Tostitos chip. Here's the packaging. What's this say? 80 calories per pouch, also gluten-free, 2 smart points on each plan. Here's what they look like inside.
Wow.
Shut up. Oh.
Those aren't terrible. They're just
Oh,
like regular chips.
I'm gonna say a solid 1. I would prefer the communion at church.
That's like cardboard with water.
Yeah. Yeah, that would have to be my least favorite. Next, we are trying cheddar cheese protein puffs. 11 grams of protein, also gluten-free. 70 calories per pouch, and 1 smart point on each plan. Here's what they look like. Thank you, Jess.
Excuse me.
Whew. Oh wow, they look like the ones you get in that big bag at Target.
Sam's Club.
Okay.
Mindy wants to taste one too.
Is Jack allowed to join the video?
Yeah. Mm. This is Jack. It's my nephew. Hi, hon. He's cute. Okay. So these cheddar cheese protein puffs, I would say probably a 5.
Really cheesy.
Really cheesy, but they taste like fake cheese. Like, I don't know. Not good. It's okay. I could eat these if I was really hungry. But they're good, probably good. So I would say I would give them a 5.
Yeah. 5.
I'd say they're a 6.
Thanks, Jess. All right, last one. We are trying Weight Watchers Iced Cinnamon Puffs. 70 calories per pouch. These are also gluten-free. Here's the packaging. 2 smart points per pouch. Oh, wow. That's what they look like on the inside. They have like this icing on it. Let's see. Mmm. Oh, I love those. 11. Good?
Wow.
Wow. 10 out of 10.
Yep. Yeah, those are probably the best ones.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Holy crap. That's only 2 smart points, so little breakfast, don't mind if I do. Everybody left.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Okay. So we're gonna rate these now from our favorite to least favorite. I think we're all in agreement that the iced cinnamon puffs are our favorite. Yes? These were 10 out of 10. I think the next second favorite was the Maple Crunch protein cereal.
Yep.
Do you guys agree? Okay, that one was super good too. These were also 2 smart points.
No, you gotta get you.
I would say the third favorite was the Nacho Tortilla chips. These are also 2 smart points. Fourth favorite, cheddar cheese protein puffs. These are only 1 smart point. I don't know which one you guys like. I hated the sea salt.
I'd pick them over that home one.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesse? Okay. So the next one that they rated, best 2 or 3, they think these ones are better than the Sriracha ones. So this would be the next favorite, but these were the least favorite. For me, this was my least favorite. For them, this was their least favorite. So, and that's really it. Anyway, so that was just a couple snacks that we ordered to try. And that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we'll be back next week with a new video. Thanks to my husband Dame and my soon-to-be brother-in-law Jesse for trying Weight Watcher snacks with me.
See you next week.
So, yeah, we'll see you next week. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you Friday. Bye.
See ya.